Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add website in Amazon Affiliate. So once you have signed up to the Amazon Affiliate program and you're on Amazon, all you'll need to do is go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on earnings. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this page as you can see right here. And all I want you to do from here, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner, hover over your email address, and you're going to tap on account settings. After tapping on account settings, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, you're going to tap right where you see edit your website, mobile app, and Alexa skill list. You're going to tap on this. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this page, and all you'll need to do now is simply paste in the website URL that you would like to add, and then you'll tap on add, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.